If you look at your phone right now, you are likely facing a constant stream of digital noise. Calendar alerts, unread messages, and scattered reminders pile up on the screen, all fighting for your attention at once. Today, we are changing how that device functions. Instead of treating your phone like a cluttered storage drawer where information gets lost, we are going to set it up as a proactive daily helper. To build this system, you only need two components: a primary AI application like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini, and the native calendar and reminder apps already on your phone. Adding an AI conversation layer over your existing apps reduces the mental effort required to manage your day. Instead of digging through menus, you can simply ask for the information you need. Step 1 is clearing the clutter on your home screen. Create a dedicated folder named AI Assistant. Move your primary AI app into this folder, right alongside your native calendar, notes, and mail applications. Each tool here has a specific function. Use the AI application for tasks that require reasoning, such as refining a schedule, drafting a complex email, or planning a week of meals. Then use your native apps to handle device-specific tasks. These tools manage the actual execution, like triggering a location-based reminder or sounding an alarm at the correct time. By physically grouping these tools, you create a psychological boundary. When it is time to be productive, you open this folder, finish the task, and close it without being pulled into distraction-based apps. With the folder built, you must define how the software behaves. Beginners often struggle because they treat AI like a standard search engine, typing in short, disconnected questions. To turn the app into a personal assistant, you need to provide a setup prompt that gives it a permanent job description. This prompt establishes clear rules. It mandates the use of plain language, prioritizes realistic daily steps, and requires the AI to ask you clarifying questions whenever a task is unclear. Save these instructions in your AI app's custom settings or memory field so the assistant remembers these rules every time you open the app. This one-time setup ensures the AI produces specific, numbered action items instead of long-form, generic explanations. Now that the assistant is programmed, you can start the daily loop. This routine uses two specific bookends: a morning briefing and an evening review. Start your morning by providing the AI with a raw list of your appointments, errands, and deadlines. You do not need to worry about the order, just get the information into the chat. The AI will restructure that data into a clear plan, highlighting your top 3 priorities and identifying any time-sensitive conflicts in your schedule. At the end of the day, perform an evening review. Summarize what you finished and what needs to be moved to tomorrow morning. This review serves as a mental reset. By recording unfinished tasks, you ensure you aren't carrying the day's anxieties into your evening rest. Throughout the day, ideas will hit you when you are away from your desk. Typing these out on a small screen is often slow and inefficient. Instead, use the AI app's live voice feature to perform a brain dump. Dictate your thoughts as they come, even if they are messy or disorganized. The AI parses your speech, removes the fluff, and provides you with a sorted list of action steps and a concise summary. To make this plan functional, the information must move from the AI conversation into your phone's actual operating system. Use your phone's built-in assistant to execute the AI suggestions. Command it to set specific alarms or calendar blocks the AI identified for you. By separating the work of thinking from the work of remembering, you resolve the 2 biggest bottlenecks in your daily workflow. Your system is now active. The folder is organized, the AI is trained, and you have a process for capturing and executing your ideas. As you use this workflow, maintain clear boundaries regarding security and privacy. Do not upload passwords, social security numbers, or raw bank statements. Keep your most sensitive personal data out of the AI conversation entirely. To start today, open your new folder and type your first prompt. Ask the assistant what part of your schedule needs organizing right now. This system is designed to support your capacity to think and act. It gives you a structured way to handle information, while leaving the final judgment to you.